Hey everyone, so this is Tanisha Chaudhary and welcome to my channel Tanisha Chaudhary's Biosphere. And in this particular video, we are going to have just a chit chat kind of a session regarding what actually the basic cerebral difference between men and women. So don't take this video so very keenly or so very interestingly regarding biotechnology syllabus. So this is not the syllabus thing that we're going to talk about here. We are just going to have a chit chat kind of a session regarding basic cerebral difference between men and women on biotechnological wavefront. Okay. Before that, I would like to introduce you to myself. I am Tanisha and I have completed my BTech and MTech from Amity University and I have done my schooling from GHPS. And apart from that, I have done so many internships. I don't remember the number of internships, but I do remember the things that I did in that, and I was a basic cancer researcher in my internships, all of my internships that I did. Apart from that, I have a very keen interest in sports as well. Since 4th standard, I remember, if I don't remember properly, but from 4th standard, I'm into this sports thing. And apart from that, I love to do sketching. I love to express myself via dancing and singing as well. So let's get into the video. The gene expressing abilities. The chromosomes will be included in both of them. So the first one is verbal abilities and the second one is memory-based abilities between men and women. By the way, in both of these, women are having a better wavefront over men. It's because of estrogen, by the way. But we all we all are very much having that extra edge over men regarding verbal abilities and memory abilities. So in verbal abilities, let me get started with this. Chromosome 7 is related. So in this chromosome 7, what actually happens is this particular chromosome, or should I say gene expression, FOXP2, I don't remember actually, yeah, it's FOXP2. Yes, so this FOXP2 is actually related to the gene expression in which the language skills are far more better in women because of estrogen. See, we are having womb, we are having child in that, we are having fetus in that, and in the 3rd semester, or should I say the 6th week, the child is totally developed into male and female. Not totally, but it starts getting developed into male and female. So in that particular trimester, or should I say semester, oh god, I was been saying semester, this is trimester bro, I'm sorry. So in 3rd trimester, we are having this particular gene expression showing itself because of estrogen, and that verbal ability comes from the womb. So we women are having better wavefront over men because of estrogen. Memory differences. See, chromosome 19 is totally related into memory differences, or should I say the neural control or memory based differences that men and women are having. Let me again say this to you. We women are having better wavefront over men in memory as well. See, men are having just one ability better than us, which is visual memory, and that is because of testosterone. We all are known to it. So let's talk about memory difference again. That one, just one difference which I have told you was better in men. So we are having this memory wavefront again better in women. So this is because of APOE gene. So this APOE gene expresses itself better because of estrogen. When it combines with estrogen, it expresses itself much better in what should I say? In expressing itself into the world, the human world, the earth. Okay, we are done with this. See, this was just a chit chat session and I'm not going to make it or much longer. We are just going to have it the shortest way it could be. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos regarding the syllabus of biotechnology, or